Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of the cubic root of 16 minus the cubic root of x squared, everything to the power of 3 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. For this one, we can put about 16 to the power of 1 over 3. This one we can change x squared over 3. And now we just expand this one. So this is a, this is b, a to the power of 3, you got about 16. Next, this is a, this is b. So you got about 3a squared multiplied with b, so you got about negative 3 multiplied with 16 to the power of 2 over 3 multiplied with x to the power of 2 over 3. So this is b squared, so we have a, so you got about 3 multiplied with 16 to the power of 1 over 3, and x is about x to the power of 4 over 3, and the last one is about 3 multiplied with power 3 in here, so you got about 6 over 3. So that is 6 over 3, you got about x to the power of number 2. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of number 16, you got about 16x. The integral of x to the power of 2 over 3, you will get about 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2 over 3 plus 1. Similar for the next one. And the last one. This is we change 5 over 3. This is about 7 over 3. You can simplify it with the number in here. You can do by yourself. That's the end. Thank you for watching.